This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Martin Garcia. This lovely move-in ready maintenance-free home is located in the BROOKRIDGE section of the private, gated, 24-hour Man River Wilderness Golf and Country Club. Convenient location close to major roadways allow easy access to Tampa, Street Pete, Lakewood Ranch and Sarasota. From the start you will notice the lush landscape front yard leading into a charming front porch area, one of 3 patio areas. Upon entry to the home you will immediately feel the spaciousness of the large great room featuring vaulted ceilings with 2 skylights and views through 2 sets of sliding glass doors to the paver brick extended lanai overlooking peaceful green space. The wood floors and electric fireplace add to the warmth of the gathering area. The well-located kitchen with granite countertops and abundant cabinet space also includes a large eat-in area with plenty of natural light. The large master bedroom, also with skylight, includes a bonus area with storage space and its own private screened-in patio. The master bath features dual vanities, a soaking tub and separate shower. The oversized bedroom too provides a cozy window seat and also has access to the main lanai area. The community pool is steps away from this well-kept home and the River Wilderness Country Club has golf and social memberships available but not mandatory. There is also a community boat ramp leading to the Manatee River and easy access to the new FT Hammer Bridge area. For more information, review the details below.